young artists! Welcome to Color with Ava! I'm Ava, and today we're drawing together something that's a bit glamorous. Beautiful lips and a dazzling lipstick. First, let's start with the lips. Imagine them like a gentle wave in the ocean, soft and smooth. Draw the upper lip with a slight peak, like a little mountain, and the lower lip fuller and rounder. Next, let's draw our lipstick. Picture it as a magic wand that adds color and sparkle. Draw a sleek tube, and then the actual lipstick part peeking out, sharp and ready to transform our lips with its vibrant color. Our drawing looks so chic. Now let's paint it with colors. Don't forget you can pause the video and color along with me. Wow, look at our lips and lipstick! Isn't it amazing how colors can bring them to life? Remember, every drawing is unique, just like you. Feel free to add your own touches, like glitter on the lipstick. Thank you for joining me today. Keep creating, stay colorful, and I'll see you on next video. Goodbye, friends.